Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water.
The pail came up full and heavy.
Time to head back down.
Jack fell down and bumped his head, and Jill came tumbling after.
Jack! Jill! Are you both okay? We're okay. Just a little bump. Thanks for checking on us, Splash. Falling down doesn't mean we stop trying. Let's go back up together. More carefully this time.
So up they went again, watching carefully where they stepped, and this time they filled the pail and made it all the way down without a single tumble.
It's okay to fall. Just get back up with a friend to help you.
Thanks for helping us try again, Splash. We couldn't have done it without you.
Yeah, Splash, you're the best friend ever.
Aw, thanks, guys. I'm so happy I could help. We're so grateful for you, Splash.
Forever friends! Forever friends!